Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Visa Mance. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to apply for fruit picking jobs in Canada. Canada offers fantastic opportunities for those looking to work in fruit picking. And in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to land your dream job. So, let's get started. Step 1. Research the seasonal demand. Before you start applying, it's essential to research the seasonal demand for fruit picking jobs in Canada. Different provinces have different harvest times, so make sure you're aware of when and where the opportunities are highest. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. Next, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements to work in Canada. Most fruit picking jobs fall under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, TFWP, or the Seasonal Agricultural Worker Program, SAWP. Check if you qualify for a work permit and meet the necessary health and character requirements. Step 3. Prepare required documents. Now that you're eligible to work in Canada, gather the necessary documents. These typically include a valid passport, job offer letter, work permit, and any additional documents specified by the Canadian government. Step 4. Search for employers and farms. Finding the right employers and farms is crucial. Look for job postings on various websites and recruitment agencies that specialize in agricultural jobs. You can also directly contact fruit farms and orchards in your desired province to inquire about job openings. Step 5. Customize your resume and cover letter. To increase your chances of landing a fruit picking job, customize your resume and cover letter to highlight relevant experience and skills. Even if you don't have direct fruit picking experience, emphasize any physical work, outdoor experience, or farming knowledge you may possess. Step 6. Network and follow up. Networking can be a valuable tool in your job search. Attend job fairs, agricultural events, and connect with people already working in the industry. Additionally, don't forget to follow up on your applications. It shows your dedication and enthusiasm for the job. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to apply for fruit picking jobs in Canada. Remember, perseverance and a positive attitude will go a long way in your job search. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss any future helpful content. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your fruit picking adventure in Canada. See you next time.